Closed down for what?
Bright Angel Point is probably one of the most accessible, best views of the Grand Canyon, and it's been closed for the season. Let's go down the trail and take a little bit of a look. Here's the sign saying that Bright Angel Trail is closed. Kind of ambiguous, maybe you're just supposed to stay out of the work zone, but if you read a little more, it says it's closed beyond here for the entire season. Now, I'm a rules follower and I did not go down the trail, but I met a young fellow who did, and he took some photos and said there's not much going on that trail. I'm going to review those photos when I get home and put them together in a video so we can see what our tax dollars are doing for us. And I've got to ask, for whom does the Park Service work? They've closed this, a real treat for visitors. They've cut off the parking at the North Kaibab Trail. They've closed the visitor center for 3 weeks for training. What are they doing, and how is this being administered? It beats me.